I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a measuring tape, and your brand new lock set. Before starting, measure your door's back set, which is typically 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches, and the bore hole diameter, usually 2 1/8 inches. This ensures your new lock is a perfect fit for your door, preventing any installation headaches later on. Now let's remove the old lock. Begin by locating the 2 or 3 mounting screws on the interior side of your door lock. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew and remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior knobs or levers. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door. Sometimes, there's a small faceplate held by 2 tiny screws. Remove those too. Keep all parts organized in case you need them. With the old lock removed, it's time to install your new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, ensuring the beveled side faces the door frame. Next, position the exterior lock assembly, aligning its spindle with the latch mechanism. Then, attach the interior lock assembly, making sure the mounting posts align. Secure everything by tightening the 2 or 3 provided screws. Do not over-tighten, as this can cause the lock to bind. Finally, let's test your newly installed door lock. Close the door and try turning the knob or lever several times to ensure it operates smoothly. Check that the latch fully extends and retracts without any sticking. If the door doesn't latch properly, you might need to adjust the strike plate on the door frame. A slight adjustment, perhaps by loosening its screws and repositioning it by 1/8 of an inch, can make a big difference for perfect functionality and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.